Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, Ubaidah. How are you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all?
Sir, we are fine, alhamdulillah. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm Kulthum.
Walaikum assalam, beta.
Sir, myself is Manuel.
Walaikum
Sir, you will
assalam.
tell our marks of physics.
Marks of physics.
I can upload it, inshallah. Okay, and today we have to first discuss the exercise. Inshallah, I will tell you the marks. Don't worry, you all do very well. Okay.
Sir, who got the highest?
For that, you have to keep patience.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Myself Anusha Mats.
Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam, beta, warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Beta, just open. I am sharing the screen. Okay, today what we have to do, we have to discuss the
Physics.
yes.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you were about to tell sir. Myself Zaina Mazhar. Yes,
Beta,
sir. Please tell the mark.
okay, I will tell you inshallah. Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, please tell the marks in this period.
Beta,
No paper in assignment.
listen to me first. Mute everyone.
Sir, they are speaking. How can anyone listen? Sir, page number.
Listen to me. If you are shouting, then I will not tell you anything. Okay. If you are shouting, then keep shouting. Okay. I will not tell you anything. First of all, open page number. We are discussing the exercises. Okay. And page number 22 is discussed. Is it clear?
Sir, please share your screen.
Yes, sir, we have done till page number 32. Now we have to do the fill in the blanks in page number 33.
Okay. So before that, I want you to.
Yes, sir, you will do page number.
Okay. Very good.
Sir, can I tell all the fill in the blanks?
Beta, I am telling you what we have to do right now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Don't have any paper in assignment section.
Beta, just I posted. Many of you have submitted it. Okay. There is a.
Please tell the mark.
Beta, wait and concentrate on the class. I will tell you the marks. Don't worry.
Sir, you will tell in this period. Okay, sir.
I will first I complete this part, today's part, then I'll tell you, or I'll tell you in the later. Okay, don't worry for that.
Okay, sir, but tell today only in this period only the marks first. Sir, which chapter? No, sir, there is no assignment.
Okay.
Sir, there is no assignment.
Okay, I will tell you. I will screenshot. I will take a screenshot and show it to you. Okay, don't worry about that.
Sir, I can tell first one.
Beta, listen first of all. Open page number 34.
Sir, open.
Okay. Yes, tell me.
Sir,
Yeah,
which
okay.
chapter? Sir, which chapter?
Beta, now do numericals and send it to me. Okay.
Dear, what you see? Can you read it?
Sir, what we have to send it?
Numericals. Okay. Do numericals.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Send it to me on my number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So beta, it is very easy. First one is, while measuring the length of a table, Mariam used use a meter scale, which is chipped off at one end. Okay. Means chipped off means it is broken. Okay. Off at one end, and so it starts from 2 centimeters. You know that everything starts from 0. You see your rulers. Okay. And you see before 1 there is 0. Okay. Is it clear?
Sir, can you please explain all the answers are given on this page.
Beta, you have to, there are some options given to you. You have to do it correct. Okay, that's why it is given. First one is given to you. Okay, you tell me the procedure how you convert it. First one is given. Second is also given. You tell me the procedure. That's I want to know how you are doing it.
Sir, I know it. Sir, we will do 85 minus 2 will get 83.
Okay, you do it and check by me. Okay, send it to me and check it.
Okay, sir.
What? Please tell again.
Do question number 1 and send it to me, and 2 and send it to me. Okay. I want to
Okay,
see
sir.
the calculation, how you are doing the calculations.
Sir, where we have to share?
On my number, you have to send it to me.
Sir, right now what we will do?
Do it fast. Question number 1 is everyone completed question number 1? Question number
Sir,
1
on
is
your personal number.
yes. Your voice is not coming, beta. Your voice is not coming.
Sir, can you please tell?
Yes, beta.
Sir, can you please tell this again?
Okay, listen to me, everyone. Mute yourself.
Sir,
Yes. Okay. The first question is, while measuring the length of a table, Mariam used a meter scale which is chipped off at one end, and so it starts from 2 centimeter. Okay, means that she has a scale, but the starting is broken. Okay, so she start measuring from 2 centimeter, and what what is the measurement of the table? Okay, the measurement of table is 85 centimeter. So is it 85 centimeter is the actual length of the table or not?
No, sir, it's 83
Sir, it's
centimeters.
not actual.
Yes, beta, it is 83.
It's 83 centimeters
Because she started.
because she started from 2 centimeters
Yes.
Very good.
measuring.
We will
Start
subtract
measuring
it.
from
We will
Yes.
get 83 answer.
and that's why 85 minus 2 equals 83.
Okay, that's very good. Okay. So you have to subtract.
Yes, sir. When we will subtract 85 minus 2, then 83 will come.
Okay, then it is 83. And no one in the class right now tell me the unit. Beta, if you are not write down this unit.
That's centimeter.
Yes, beta, you forget. Remember
Yes, sir, the
to.
unit is centimeter.
Centimeter.
Yes, beta,
Centimeter.
listen to me. Most of the time we forget to tell the unit. So remember to tell the unit. Okay, now go to question number 2. Question number 2, 57 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to convert 57 centimeter to meters. Okay. Is it clear? You know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay. Or
Yes, sir.
we can say 100 centimeter makes 1 meter.
yes, sir.
Okay, so 1 centimeter will be 1 upon 100 meter.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 57 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100
So
into
57
57.
upon 100.
The answer is equal to 0.57
So it
centimeter.
is 57
0.57.
Or 57 upon 100.
Okay,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
57. 0.57.
0.57. Okay,
0.57 meter.
okay, so remember to write the.
Yes, sir, meter. Sir, because we are converting it into meters.
Sir, we are doing exercises, so please share your screen.
Okay, is it visible? My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Visible. It is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
No, sir. It is not visible. Background.
So this is the actual way of doing. Okay, beta. Don't take a shortcut. Do it in a proper way. All the steps. In this way, you can do question second part of question number 3. Okay, second part of question number 3.
Sir, I'm doing and sending on your personal number. Sir, we have to
question
do
three?
physics page number 33 as homework.
Don't worry, I will tell you. Wait. Okay. Okay, do question 3. Okay, B part. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
And send it to me as I have done. Okay, all the steps. Don't forget the step. Remember, beta, physics and maths, they have numerical. Just go for practice. Practice it,
Yes,
and you will be perfect, inshallah. Just do it fast. Yes, everyone. Yes, no one has sent me right till now.
Come, sir.
Walaikum Assalam.
Sir, which page number?
Network 2.
Okay.
Sir, which page number?
Beta, Shifa Haq, you send it to
Sir,
me.
which page number?
Beta Shifa Haq, please do in notebook. Okay. Shifa Haq, you send me. Okay. You do it in your notebook also and send it to me.
Sir, only we have to do second question.
Yes. Mantasha, good, very well. Mantasha
Okay,
did
sir.
all those steps. Okay, very good, Mantasha.
Assalamualaikum, sir. My name is Abdul Ahad. So, which page number you are teaching?
I am taking numericals given on page number 34. Numericals on page 34. Just do it fast. Shifa, beta, Shifa, be online. Yes, Shifa, listen to me. Shifa, is I audible to everyone?
Sir, what?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay, beta, Shifa is
Sir, you
there.
are audible.
Beta, Shifa, yes. Shifa.
Sir, we have to do all three questions.
No. Now do question 3, part B. Then after do question 5.
Part B.
Yes.
So I am doing question number second.
Okay. But I remember this thing, if numerical comes of 2 marks and you didn't write down the unit, so whatever your answer, if it is correct, then still you lost 1 mark. Okay. All of you remember this thing in physics. Unit is very much important, very much compulsory to write down the units.
Sir, please tell again. I have gone to take my book.
But I am saying that if a question comes of 2 marks in physics test, that question is of
Sir, I have
numerical.
sent you.
Yes, Isma. Okay, good.
Sir, I said question 3 part. Can you please check?
Okay. Isma, beta, again you do 110. Okay. Good. Okay. You can also write.
I send. Can you please check
Sir,
it?
I have also sent. Kindly check. I think it is wrong.
Sir, is my correct?
Okay.
Question 3 B part I have sent.
Question. Who is sending? Kulsum Rahman.
Sir, Mantasha.
Mantasha, you are correct. Okay, Kulsum. I am seeing
Correct.
Kulsum.
Sir, mine is wrong.
Kulsum Rahman. Wait for a second. Let me check Kulsum. Okay, Kulsum, your answer is right.
Sir, tell once again what have you said?
I'm saying that to Kulsum that her answer is right.
Sir,
Isma,
I am saying that is
Sir,
my
mine is
question.
correct. You are saying that something is wrong.
beta, I'm saying that to Isma that you can also do the steps as I followed. Okay. You did it right. This is also a good steps. Okay.
Is my question 3 part that I have sent? Please.
Okay, wait.
Sir, it's wrong.
Wait.
Sir, I have also sent.
Okay. Now please do question number 6.
Sir,
Yes, it's over. Do question number 6.
Sir, why this your screen is in grid?
I
Sir,
made
I
a
am
grid.
sir, 6 millimeter.
sir, I can tell the answer.
No, don't tell.
Answer
This.
is 6 centimeters.
Beta, I'm saying
Yes,
send
sir,
it to me.
answer is 6 centimeter.
Okay, send it to me. Okay.
Sir, I have sent. Sir, please check it.
Sir, please discuss the fill in the blanks.
Okay, beta, wait. I'm discussing. Let me. Okay, so you will do this thing.
Sir, please give one more part to do.
Share question number 6 also.
Just do question number 6 and question number. And
Sir, I have done question number 6.
Very good.
One of the tallest tree in the world is the redwood tree. Sir, this one only we have to do now?
Yes. Question number 9.
Sir, I have done. Sir, I have done question number 6. I am doing question.
Beta, quiet. Okay, mute yourself and do this. Question number 6 and question number 9, part B.
Part B or part A?
Part B, beta. It is written part B. So how it can be like part A? Please try to do all the steps. Okay, steps is very much necessary so that you know how you do calculation. Yes, Hamza is also correct. Hamza sent me. In question number 9, dimensions of writing paper is given to you. That is 21 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Okay, what you have to find? Find area. Okay.
Sir, I'm not getting how to do question number 6 B part.
6B part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One of the tallest tree in the world is the redwood tree, and it measures 91 meters. Express its height in feet. Okay, it means that you have to convert meter into feet. Okay, you know that.
It's 910.
Sir, to convert, we have to
You have to
multiply
convert.
number to
Okay.
3.28.
Sir, in question 9B part,
Convert,
writing
listen.
paper equals 21 by
Meter to
21
feet.
centimeter by
For question number 9, you have to convert. Yes, beta?
Sir, I was asking 21 is the 21 centimeter
Yes.
is the length or the breadth?
It is the.
In question 9B part.
It is the breadth, beta. The longer side is always length. The dimension of
Okay,
the
sir.
side which is the highest dimension is considered length.
Okay, sir.
Please listen.
Question number 6 part B on your
Very
personal
good.
number.
I am saying it to you. Don't take shortcuts in calculation. Otherwise, your hurry will makes you in losing your marks. I am again saying most of the students do this mistake. Okay, do not take shortcuts while doing calculation in maths and physics. Do every
Sir, I
step.
have done
Listen
question
to
number
me.
6.
Okay, if you are converting any from meter to feet or anything, at least you have to.
I ask you.
Beta, listen to me. I am giving you some important instructions regarding conversion. Okay, you have to write down the conversions also. Okay.
Sir, I can tell question number 6. I have done.
Okay, you send it to me. Now do question number 7 or 9.
Sir, I have sent you.
Okay, I will
Sir,
see.
I have done question number 9 also.
Can you tell?
Sir, question number 9 is very easy.
Completed.
Sir, whole we have to do. You have write that only we have to do B part
Okay,
of question number 9.
Yes, you completed.
Yes, I submitted on your personal number. I have sent question number 6 on your number.
Listen, for calculation 9, you have to write this way: length, breadth, area is equals to, we know that it's length into breadth, then do calculation. Follow all the steps. Okay.
Sir, can you please tell question 6 part not getting it?
In question number 6, what there is a conversion, okay, of meter to feet. It is written on page number 20 also. Okay. Conversion factor is given on page number 20. If you've done it, now start doing fill in the blanks.
Sir, I'm not getting it.
What, beta?
Okay, sir.
Question number. Sir, question number
Sir,
6.
please tell me on which page number the fill in the blanks are there.
Beta 33.
Sir, please share your screen.
Beta, it's sharing. It's already
Okay,
shared.
sir.
Everyone is seeing my screen.
Does she mean that she
Sir,
doesn't
after
have-
question number 9, which question we had to do?
Okay. Now open page number 33.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Opened.
Open.
And
So,
in question number 9, which will be length and which will be breadth?
beta, the longest dimension is length. Okay.
Okay, yes. Open the page number 33.
Longer dimension equals to length. Okay. Or shorter dimensions is breadth. So in the E question, the distance between two ends of an object is called.
I have sent on your personal number.
Sir, on page number 23.
33, beta.
33. Okay, sir, opened.
Sir, first question, that is
The distance.
Sir, it is length.
Yes, very
The
good.
length.
Yes.
sir, answer is length.
Yes, beta, it's length.
Yes, sir.
Now move to second one.
Sir, the error caused due to the improper
Second one
position.
is the error caused due to the improper positioning of
Parallax error.
parallax error.
Parallax error.
Yes,
Parallax
mashallah,
error.
mashallah.
Parallax
Yes,
error.
everyone knows about parallax. Okay. And third one.
Sir, the time corresponding to 7 p.m. in the 24-hour clock will be 19.
19 hours, sir. 19
That
hours.
means the time corresponding to 7 p.m. in the 24-hour clock will be 19.0.
The easiest way to convert. Listen to me. Mute everyone. Listen to me. The easiest way to convert the given time of PM in 24-hour clock is to just add the number 212. Okay, just add that number 12. For example, here the time corresponding to 7 p.m. in the 24-hour clock. So you just add 7 to 12. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's clear.
sir. Please repeat it.
Yes,
Your voice
yes,
was not
clear.
clear.
Okay, just
Sir, please
Okay,
repeat.
okay, just add the given time PM plus 12. You get time in 24-hour clock. Okay,
Okay, sir.
here it is just like this. Here
Correct.
7 p.m. is given to you. Okay,
12.
Yes,
so
sir.
you just add 12, then it will come 19. So
19.
don't write 19 like this. Okay, don't write 19 like this. Okay, you have to write complete. Okay, there is a
Yes, sir.
compulsory
Yes, sir.
that
We have to
four
write in
digits,
this way.
4 digits are there. Okay, it already understood that if it is greater than 12, then it is your PM part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so very good, mashallah. So comes to the fourth one. Already know. Listen.
We use a stopwatch in an athletic meet to measure time.
Okay,
Sir, stopwatch.
already it is
That is
discussed. Listen.
Stopwatch. Sir.
Listen to me. Already it is discussed that for accurate measurement, okay, stopwatch is more suitable as compared to wristwatch.
Yes, sir. It's much accurate.
Now this is fifth question is very important.
Sir, the freezing point of water in the Fahrenheit scale
Sir,
is
it's
taken
0 Fahrenheit.
and the Celsius is the scale.
0
Here it is 0
Answer is 0 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
The
So
first
beta
one is 0 Fahrenheit and the next one is 0 Celsius.
Beta, remember this thing. This question can be asked. Beta,
0 degree Celsius.
In Fahrenheit scale as
mute everyone.
degree Fahrenheit, and in Celsius.
Listen to me. Mute everyone. Listen to me. Okay, so this question can be asked. So you should remember all the scales. Okay, what is the
Yes.
value of boiling point in another scale? What is the value of freezing point of water in another scale like Celsius and Kelvin? Okay, so question number 6 is the dash of water is
Boiling
used.
point.
The yes is used of upper fix on the Celsius
The
scale.
boiling point of water is used at the upper fixed point on the Celsius scale.
Okay, because there are 100 parts, you know.
Yes.
The boiling
Yes,
point.
sir.
Okay,
This one
very
is
good.
boiling.
Now I will. Okay, very good. So this thing fill in the blank is clear. Okay, I will
Yes, sir.
assign.
It's clear.
I will assign this. I will assign.
Clear.
I'm asking to particular person, student to give me the answer. Okay, wait. I'm giving you.
Okay, sir.
And in assignment.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In
Something, what were you assigning?
Sir is telling about that only.
32 you have completed. Beta, who is why you open the camera, Khizr?
Sir, by mistake.
It's not mistake, beta.
Yes, sir. Completed page number 32 and 33.
Yes, 32.
Okay.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
I also completed page number 22 and 20.
Beta is 32. You have to do this. Okay. This you have already done. So complete this part and submit to me. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Masha.
Sir, we have to submit page number 32, 33 and 34 of physics.
Yes.
Today only.
Sir, now tell
Today or
us.
tomorrow.
Okay,
Then
sir.
Give the time
Beta,
duration till
oh,
8 p.m.
Okay, beta. Okay, I'll give you time. Wait. Okay. I will give you marks to. I will announce marks tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, don't worry. For
You
that.
tell just now.
No, beta, I will tell you tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay, I am asking.
Send the marks on the group. That will
Yes,
be
Sir,
better.
tomorrow your period is not
I
there.
want to
Mute everyone. Mute everyone. No shouting. Okay. I don't want to listen anyone's voice. Listen to me first. Yes. Ayan Zubair, you there? Be online. Ayan Zubair,
I got marks.
you got a good marks. Ayan Zubair, you there?
Yes, sir, he is.
Okay.
What my
Our marks.
Beta, I will tell you. Wait. Okay. Don't worry. Inshallah, next class I will tell you. Not now.
Sir, just tell that in girls who got the highest.
Yes, sir. Only this tell.
Okay,
Yes,
I will
sir.
listen to me. Inshallah, today by after Isha, I will tell the marks who got the highest.
Okay, sir.
Okay, inshallah, I will try.
Sir, after Isha,
Sir, can you tell WhatsApp group?
Listen to me. Listen to me.
WhatsApp group.
Listen to me. All the assignment you have to submit on the school app.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to submit also.
Yes.
Sir, I said that I didn't get any assignment to submit chapter 5 whole
Beta.
fraction chapter.
Yes. Speak. Yes, Mantasha, you speak. Mute everyone. Mantasha, tell me.
But I am saying that I have got an assignment. You said that I have assigned chapter to send whole chapter 5 fraction, but
Yes.
I didn't get.
no, sir, you
Sir,
have,
I have
given the assignment. Submit fraction, page number 87, like this. You
Yes.
have given one
In this way,
assignment.
beta, listen to me. I have assigned according to page number. Okay.
Sir, but there is no assignment for 5.6 and 5.7.
Beta, I have
Yes,
assigned
sir.
according to page number.
Yes, page number 84, 85, 86.
So, sir, in page number 84, exercise 5.8 is there.
Beta, you have whatever you have queries, you can ask me. Okay. Let this complete this class, today's class. Yes, tell me. Yes, who will tell you? Ahmed Ali. Ahmed Ali, you tell me. Ahmed Ali.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Beta, everyone mute. Ahmed will reply, answer me. Ahmed Ali, it is section number 2, question number F. First one is give reason. All the length cannot be measured in meters.
Sir, all the length
Cannot be measured in meters. Yes.
Yes, sir. What is the question?
when answer will come, meter, square.
No, beta. Yes, mute. Hamza Kamar, mute yourself. Hamza Kamar, mute yourself. In this question, give reason that all the lengths cannot be measured in meters. Is everything can be measured in meters? Yes, Naba, you tell me.
Yes, sir. What is the question?
Sir, as you just asked that all the length cannot be measured in meters.
Yes,
This is because all the lengths are not in same size. Some are wide stretched, some are so long, some are, they have a lot of breadth, and some are, long, like we used to measure them in kilometers.
Very good, mashallah. Yes, anyone other want to tell the same answer in their own words?
But I can.
Yes, beta, Hamza.
We cannot measure all the distance in meter because the some distance are very small, which we cannot measure in meters. We use.
So, sir, we will write this in answer. We will write this that we cannot measure all the distance in meters.
Beta,
we have to write the
give the
reason for it.
You have to give the reason. Okay, why all the length cannot be measured? Yes, because everything has certain different dimensions, and some things are very small and some things are very large. So it is not convenient to use meter scale for every type of measurement. Okay, if a small thing is there, so it cannot be measured with the help of meter. Okay, if you want to measure very large area,
we use millimeter.
Okay, very large length. So we do not use meter scale. For that, we have hectometer, larger meter, other larger dimensions. Okay, for measuring. Yes.
The second one, can I tell the second one?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, the second one is the clinical thermometer has marking from 95 Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. This is because 95 Fahrenheit means 35 degrees Celsius and 108 Fahrenheit means 42 Celsius. And it is having these markings because the human body temperature will not go below
very
35 Celsius or above the 42 Celsius.
Very good, mashallah. Good. Very good. Yes, tell me.
Sir, the clinical thermometer has marking from 92 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. So 95 degrees Fahrenheit is 35 degrees Celsius and 108 degrees Fahrenheit is 32 degrees Celsius. So the human body this temperature not below 35 degrees Celsius
and above 42 degrees. Okay, very good. So this thing is clear. Yes, this is very important.
Yes.
Faizan Khan, beta.